Basically, this question is about to find the center of the unequal angle section. First of all, we are selecting the axis, means we are considering AC and AB as a reference axis. Here it is saying let AC and AB be the axis of reference, x bar and y bar the distance of centroid from the two axes. X bar and y bar the distance of centroid from the two axes respectively. मतलब जो दो हमने रेफरेंस एक्सिस ली है तो वहाँ से एक्स बार और वाई बार डिस्टेंस है सेंट्रोइड तक की. डिवाइड द सेक्शन इन टू रेक्टेंगल्स. जो ये अनइक्वल सेक्शन है वी आर डिवाइडिंग दिस इनटू टू रेक्टेंगुलर सेक्शन. हियर यू कैन सी वी आर कंसिडरिंग फर्स्ट सेक्शन एज दिस विच विल हैव 120 मीटर एंड 20 मीटर डायमेंशन. तो अब इसकी डायमेंशन 100 मीटर बाय 20 मीटर हो जाएगी और इसकी डायमेंशन हो जाएगी 200 mm बाय 20 mm. फॉर रेक्टेंगल वन के लिए A1 इक्वल्स टू A1 की वैल्यू मतलब एरिया यहाँ पे ले रहे हैं तो वो ऑब्वियसली 100 बाय 20 mm हो जाएगा. 100 बाय 20 में 203 mm² हो जाएगा. x1 वी आर फाइंडिंग आउट x1 विल बी जो फर्स्ट का सेंट्रोइड है. सेंट्रोइड क्या होगा फर्स्ट का 100 बाय 2 कर देंगे. 100 बाय 2 50 हो जाएगा और जो ये जो 20 mm दिया हुआ है ये तो है ही तो 50 + 20 70 mm हो जाएगा. एंड y1 इज़ व्हाट y1 इज़ डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम दी AB टू द सेंट्रोइड. तो 20 बाय 2 करेंगे तो 10 हो जाएगा ये. तो ये A1 का रेक्टेंगल 1 का एरिया निकल जाएगा. नाउ वी विल कैलकुलेट एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल सेक्शन 2. फॉर रेक्टेंगल सेक्शन 2 A2 विल बी 20 बाय 200. Now we have to calculate x2. x2 is what 20 by 2 and y2 is what y2 is distance from AB to the centroid of the section. So y2 will be 200 by 2 100 mm. Now we have to find x bar. So what is the formula of x bar? X bar equals to a1 x1 plus a2 x2 divided by a1 plus a2. इसका derivation basically if you want to derive it then you have to take moment about AC. And after deriving you can find out the value of x bar. We have calculated a1, we have calculated x1, a2, x2, a1, a2. Now we will put all this value in this equation and we will get the value at 30 mm. Now we have to find out y bar. Then if you want to find out y bar then you need to take moment about AB. Then you will get this formula. After putting the value of y bar you will get, after putting the value of a1, y1, a2, y2 and a1 and 2 you will get the value of y bar as 17 mm. Now you can put all these calculations in a tabular form. So first is area of component A is we have already calculated. We have already calculated distance y. Ay we will calculate ay is this 10 into 2 into 10 to the power 3. Now x is what distance between AC and centroid of component. This is AC and this is centroid of component. So AC will be what 100 plus 20 is 70. Now AX you can easily calculate AX by multiplying A and X. And after this is I have found out for section 1. Similarly you can find out for section 2 also. After doing this you can sum all the things, like for area A you can add these two sections 1 and 2. AY you can add and AX you can add. Now if you want to find out the centroid of whole section from AC, simple formula is x bar equals to summation of AX by summation A. So AX summation of AX is this 180 10 to the power 3 and summation of A is 6 into 10 to the power 3. Similarly you can find out the distance centroid of whole section from AB. Y bar equals to summation of AY by summation of A.